all those people present on the stage. Dr. M. Srinivasan, Sri S.K. Dogra, Sri Kishan Chand Chotia, Sri G.V. Krishna Rao, Dr. Narayan Raju, and other dignitaries. It gives me great pleasure in receiving this award, and Professor Manikandan, my very good friend and big brother, has requested that I should speak partly in English and Hindi. I dedicate this award. Is this the dedication ceremony? Is this the dedication, my acceptance speech? Okay. I first dedicate this award to my first guru. Many people may not know this place, but there is a small place called Devala in Tamil Nadu, which has a sugar mill. And that was that is the first posting or camp that I remember along with my dad. And he started teaching Hindi in that particular place. हिंदी के पहले अक्षर मैंने वहाँ पे शुरू किया, मैंने उसका अध्ययन मैंने पहले शुरू किया, thanks to my dad. So I thank my dad for introducing Hindi and Sanskrit. Sanskrit, of course, I started in Nagpur, again under my dad. तो सुबह 4 बजे उठ के पूजा पाठ सब हो जाता था. I used to get up by 5:30 and 6 से 7 was language hour. My mom always felt that if my dad had done more, given me practice in maths, I would have joined the IIT. But अच्छा किया, क्योंकि जब 20 साल पहले जब मेरे सारे classmates were aspirants for IIT, I said no, I'm going to take up languages. और बहुत seriously लिया मैंने. So thanks a lot, Dad. मेरे दूसरे गुरु श्री तिवारी, जो हमारे पड़ोसी थे, he introduced me to the poetry of Vajpayee. 1984, if I'm right, मतलब दूरदर्शन में कवि सम्मेलन हुआ करता था. I was 8 years old at that time, and तो अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी का मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हो गया. Of course, I became a fan of other poets also. वो तो मेरे दूसरे गुरु श्री तिवारी को भी I dedicate this award. And I also dedicate this award to my professors in Vivekananda College. Why Vivekananda College? Because ये शायद मैं यहाँ पर कह सकता हूँ कि college education is unfortunately anti-Indian culture. It teaches you things which are, you start hating your culture. You start hating your languages. The first thing you start hating is अपनी मातृभाषा. You start speaking only in English when you should be speaking in your mother tongue. If you see the dress that I wear right now, it is a hangover of what I experienced in Vivekananda College. It's a lovely place. It's not just a college. And I'm also happy that my teacher there has received an award in Sanskrit, because the atmosphere there was totally different. We never behaved like teacher and student. It was more of friends. पर हमें पता था कि see, they are our professors, we are not supposed to cross a line, and we used to discuss everything under the sun, karma yoga, jnana yoga, everything. We never used to discuss जो लौकिक विषय थे वो तो cinema and all that, never. And the surprising thing was those who discussed came from various departments, from physics, from commerce, from God knows what, from biology, from zoology, and all of them are doing well. So I dedicate this to my professors in Vivekananda College, especially my Hindi professor Dr. Murthy, because ये शायद मैं अभी कह सकता हूँ, उन्होंने मुझे हिंदी विभाग का सचिव बनाया. I was the Hindi secretary for 2 years. So thanks to him. देखिए भाषा का जो अध्ययन है, जैसे सर ने कहा, there has to be complete focus. And ये जर्मन की पढ़ाई, अंग्रेजी की पढ़ाई, क्योंकि वो तो इंडिया में तो 3 things are there, RKM, रोटी कपड़ा मकान. पहले उसका you get that sure. तो frankly जर्मन की पढ़ाई शुरू की रोटी कपड़ा मकान के लिए, तो वो मिल गया, ठीक है. लेकिन अभी I would like to go into other things also, like functional English and all that. And talking about functional English, देखिए तमिलनाडु में इतने लोग हैं जो BE की पढ़ाई खत्म करके they don't get a job. merely because they don't know functional Hindi. If they know Hindi, if these engineers know Hindi, they'll get placed in the industrial belt of Haryana and Punjab. They will get placed in Delhi. But sorry, we have a pathological allergy towards learning of Hindi. We associate it wrongly with a particular, with particular groups. Or ye bahut, I don't know, it's a very sad thing. Or, well, I also want to thank Professor Manikandan because I'm not in the habit of accepting these awards and all that. The biggest reward that you get is, बस अभी मैं कह सकता हूँ क्योंकि अगर तो रोका रोकी या टोका टाकी भी हो जाए तो ठीक। जिस तरह की नेगेटिविटी होती है जब कोई मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं यही कर रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ। और जब when I say that there is so much of negativity in every institution, हर कोई कहता है जर्मन मत पढ़ाओ, वो हमारे बच्चों के लिए नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन अपने बेटे के लिए they will come and ask me where to put them in German, and I'll tell you very simple, it's a very simple thing. Goethe Institute में आज अभी आपकी भर्ती होगी तो you have to go with 18,000 in cash, और वहां पे एक लंबी कतार लगी होती है, long queue, some 150 people for 30 seats. Now they made it 30. यहाँ पे मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, ये forget about 18,000, I'm doing it free. और जो बच्चे, those who cannot afford the book, those who say that they cannot afford the book, I buy the book for them. बस आप पढ़ाई करवा लो, बस वही चाहिए. And it's not that I'm opening it only for Hindu college students. Anyone who wants to learn German or accent or those things which are, I'm sorry to say, commercialized inside the city for thousands of rupees, मेरे दरवाजे हरदम खुले हैं. My doors are always open. You just have to come with a recommendation from a person whom I know. Someone like Professor Manikandan. तो उन्होंने कहा कि if he says, look, I know this girl or I know this boy, that's it. You don't have to pay a single pie. I don't charge a single pie from my students. पर कैलकुलेट कर लूंगा कि see, I always look at the social aspect, क्योंकि the point is not whether you are offering it free. The point is that the student has to come from his or her house to my house. उसका DADA भी कैलकुलेट करना चाहिए. So you have to be economical in your teaching, क्योंकि that also matters. पर ये है, thanks a lot for this award and thanks a lot for making me sit in front of elders and I was a bit embarrassed. Frankly, I think I don't deserve it. But I feel that this is a recognition of the work that I have done till now. ये थोड़ा जब अच्छी बात है ना, तो इसको लटका लूंगा कहीं पे, and whenever I feel depressed, I look at it and say, यार मिला है यार ये कुछ, चलो अगला कोर्स शुरू करते हैं, क्योंकि नेगेटिविटी तो होती रहेगी, क्योंकि इंडिया में सॉरी टू से लोग कुछ बनना चाहते हैं, कुछ करना नहीं चाहते हैं. और मैं उस कैटेगरी का हूँ, आई बिलोंग टू दैट कैटेगरी हु वांट टू डू समथिंग. मुझे कुछ, डोंट कॉल मी डॉक्टर बालासुब्रमण्यन, आई एम नॉट कंप्लीटेड माय PhD yet, डोंट कॉल मी, कुछ भी आप कुछ भी बोल दो, कोई भी टाइटल बना दो, कोई भी टाइटल से आप मुझे बुला लो, बस पढ़ो. बिकॉज आई वॉज ड्रॉपिंग श्री डोगरा टू हिज हाउस एंड आई वॉज सेइंग, आज टुडे वी वुड हैव रिफ्यूज्ड translation worth 2 lakh rupees. Rose, we are refusing translation worth 2 lakh rupees because we don't know foreign languages. I am talking only about German. मैं जापानीज की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं चाइनीज की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. और अगर एक कल्चर पैदा हो जाए कि we have the skills, okay, you are getting into skill based jobs, fine, congratulations, but it is not the kind of skills which give Europeans nightmares. And I think it is high time we start learning and doing things which start giving European nightmares. I'll give you a simple incident, if I have one more minute. I was guiding एक ऑस्ट्रिया से एक ग्रुप आया था. I think Tata's had bought Jaguar at that time. 2006 की बात है ये, जो 6 या 7 की बात है, जब नैनो लॉन्च हुआ था. तो वो सारे आके खड़े हो गए और नैनो के मॉडल में. They were actually coming down. They were going to spend 3 days in Chennai. So Chennai, Mahabalipuram, Kanchipuram. They also went to a Tata showroom and they were watching Nano. And I saw fear in their eyes. और मैंने सोचा, वाह, ये अच्छी बात है. First time you see fear in a European's eyes, because they said, 1 lakh के लिए तो we cannot even conceive of a car. And they were not afraid of Nano car alone. They were more afraid because Tata had bought Jaguar. And that was the first time I saw that. So I think this is an appeal more to the students and जितने लोगों को आप कह सकते हैं, please spread the word. We are a nation with a population of 1.25 billion. Don't tell me that there are at least 1 crore worth intelligent people. And believe it or not, we cannot create the jobs in India. There are 15 million jobs lying vacant in Europe every year. You can go and do the jobs there, or it can be outsourced here. And jobs which are not just your select copy paste jobs which will give Europeans nightmares. वो सोचेंगे यार ये देंगे या नहीं, but we will surely get it. But all that we need, we have to start working so that at least I am now 40, I'm hitting 40, and when I hit 60, people, we should not be having this like this. We should be having it as a teleconferencing through video conferencing. और अपने बच्चे सब वहाँ पे मॉनिटर में वो कहेंगे I am now settled in Düsseldorf, I am in Cincinnati, I am in Michigan, and I am doing this kind of job. And you should have replaced an American, a German, a French engineer or a French translator, and you should be not only being paid better than them, you should have removed them from their job. I think with these words I'd like to say thank you and keep up the spirit. Thank you a lot.